Hello people, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can get Scratch 4.0. The first thing you need to do is go on to the Scratch website. After that, click on your profile in the top right, and click Account Settings. Next you should see a button for changing the version. If you do not see it, try restarting your device. Continue doing this until you see the version control button. Once it shows up, click on it and press on 4.0. After that, press change version. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have trouble getting it to work, comment down below and I will do my best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe.